3 men refused to bow to Babylon's golden idol. King Nebuchadnezzar ordered them thrown into the furnace, heated 7 times hotter than before. The flames consumed even the soldiers who carried them in. But inside the fire, something impossible appeared. The king rose in terror. Didn't we throw in 3 men? But I see 4 walking unharmed, and the 4th looks like the Son of God. The furnace became a throne room, and the fire that should have killed them became the backdrop for a divine visitation. The lesson is clear. Sometimes God doesn't put out the fire. He steps into it with you.